Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are going to
An arboretum.
So let's see. We are going to bring you with us, and there is supposed to be different kind of trees. So we are excited to see it.
We're looking for some fall colors. We have not yet been out to see the leaves changing, so this is our day.
We are very excited, and it's going to be so fun. We are going to with some friends, and maybe you get to meet them too. See you now.
Later.
In this sign it says, si realment estimes la natura, trobaràs bellesa a tot arreu. That in English it means, if you really love nature, you will find beauty all around. And it's so true.
This is a cedar. And he's a big, nice cedar, and we're just saying, thank you, Mr. Tree.
Okay.
I'm just doing it.
I don't know what is happening.
Que están levantando.
And these are some redwood sequoia trees, and they are in Catalonia and very fun to see. And after the beautiful walk on the forest, we visit this town called Espinelves that is from the year 943, and this church that you're seeing right now is a Romanic church, and it's just an old, beautiful stone little town that it has wonderful restaurants that they have a good prices menu. Also at Christmas time it's full of snow and they have a Christmas market, but in the fall, as you see, it's just sunny and beautiful to walk around. Hi, I'm going to show you a sweet potato recipe that I'm doing, and it's a very fall yummy recipe, and I hope that you like it. Alright, for this very cozy recipe you need a pomegranate, then you need feta cheese, and then 2 sweet potatoes that I have them already in the oven, and tahini. And well, I'm still with my rope this morning, and it's just one of these cozy cold fall days. I have here my candle, and this meal, it's an easy lunch or it can be also dinner. Once the sweet potato is already cooked from the oven, you cut it in half and you empty the sweet potato with a spoon. You mix it with the feta cheese, you make like this paste. Then you put rucola on the base of the sweet potato, put that blend on top, decorate it with a pomegranate, and throw a little bit of tahini. As you see, it just looks so good. And now we are going to put a little bit of tahini to season it. Alright, here we have the tahini, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. And here, so here we have the result of the amazing sweet potato recipe, and I hope that you enjoy it. It's very easy and very healthy and very yummy. All right now I'm eating the recipe, and I just need to emphasize that it's really very good. It's just like, I don't love sweet potatoes, I need to be honest over here. I like it, but sometimes I think it's like kind of a flavor that with little quantity, I'm good, you know? But this recipe, you can eat the whole sweet potato and it's just, you love it. Like, because it's not too sweet, it just brings so much freshness with the pomegranate and with the rucola. It's just very good. Like, I just don't know how to explain it. It's just like, you need to try it. You really need, I'm here eating it. You really need to make it because it's very good and it's very healthy and everybody should try it. What do you think, sweetie?
Delicious. I'm loving it. Yeah, I can't believe it. I didn't know how the flavors would go together, and it's very yummy. Thank you.
Easy, yummy, healthy, and beautiful. I hope that you enjoy the recipe. And if you ever subscribe and you're watching this video, please subscribe, like the video, and I can't wait to show you more recipes and more things. Bye.